In today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate average in Notion. Whether you want a quick average for an entire column or a per row average across several number fields, I'll walk you through both approaches so you can get accurate results without extra hassle. Let's start with the simplest scenario: finding the average for a number column in your database. Look at the bottom of that number column and hover your mouse there. You should see a little control appear that says Calculate or sometimes Count by default. Go ahead and click that. A small menu will pop up with different options for summarizing the column. From that list, choose Average. As soon as you select it, Notion calculates the mean of all the values in that column and displays it right there in the footer, as you add, remove, or edit rows. This average updates automatically, so you always have a live snapshot of your data. If you don't see the Calculate control, double-check that the property you are hovering under is a number property, since summaries only show for number-based columns. Now, what if you need an average for each individual row, based on multiple number properties, like score 1, score 2, and score 3? For that, you'll use a formula property which computes a result per row. Add a formula property to your database, then open its editor. If you are using Notion's newer Formula 2.0, you can use the mean function, which accepts a list of values. Enter a formula like this: mean prop score 1, prop score 2, prop score 3s. This tells Notion to take those three number properties in the current row, bundle them into a list, and compute the average. Make sure the property names inside prop exactly match your column names, including spaces and capitalization, and that each of those properties is a number type. Once you apply the formula, the average appears in that formula column for every row, giving you a clean per row result that updates instantly whenever you change any of the underlying scores. You can rename the formula property to something clear, like average score, so it's easy to understand at a glance. That's it. Use the column footer average when you want a quick summary of an entire number column, and switch to a formula property with mean when you need a row-by-row average across several number fields. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.